Fuck, guys, I fell asleep in here. I gotta fucking get out of here. It's 6 a.m. They're gonna show up in like an hour or so. Okay, I got my clothes out of this thing. Mostly. Okay, pack up, pack up. I'm back in Newport. Oh. I unpacked all my stuff. I got this top cover for the electric unicycle. Some of these dry bags, 4 in total, to move some weight off of the backpack onto the electric unicycle. Another 30-liter one for on top of the electric unicycle with the solar panels. I got 2 of these modules here, just in case one of them is broken, like the first one was. I'm getting this electrical setup built. I'm gonna build it in Cykeltuten. And I got a titanium cup with a lid and a tea strainer. Oh yeah, and I got the Flextail Mini Pump 3X. Very lightweight, but mostly I got it for this one setting. Super dim, warm light setting. So the battery's gonna last forever on this thing, whereas on my other bigger one, I can't really turn it down that much. So it ends up using the battery in 8 hours or less, I think, on the lowest setting. This thing should last 24 hours or longer on this setting. And of course it has a pump. Back at the commune, I just gave Oliver back his soldering tin, and I gave the book about sexuality in ancient Rome or Greece back to Tobias, and I got a few amplifiers I gotta give back. I'm packing up all my stuff, and then I'm getting out of here one last time, I guess. All this is yes, and all this is me. Get all this with me. Oh, it's not gonna be easy. I offered to help Amelia carry some things. I'm trying to go around, see if I can't find people to say goodbye to, but I think she's the only one here. Oh well. This has been a really nice place for me. But if there's anything, one of the most important lessons in life, and I keep thinking about this, I have her as my background image on my phone, Ariete from the Hayao Miyazaki movie. Or maybe it's just Studio Ghibli, I don't know. But basically the whole moral of the story of that movie is you have to stop while it's good. You know, don't let relationships sour before you end them. End them while they're good, you know? Remember them fondly. Don't write it out. Don't try and squeeze every single drop out of it that you can. In hindsight, the relationship will have been lesser for doing so. And I don't know, right now this is like the peak of me enjoying being here. So I think it's a great time to leave. And Svendborg is amazing right now. Gonna miss this place, so I'll be back. I'll be visiting. And some... Just ran into Jewel. Oh yeah, this is Jewel's place, by the way. Fucking amazing place. She has such great paintings. I really like her style. I'm gonna miss her so much. But she told me just because I was like, dude, I need to commission a new pair. These are wonderful. I don't want to wear pants for mere mortals. So she's like, yeah, just go look at the fabrics. I'll make another pair for you. So I'm super excited right now. Let's go. I'm only gonna be wearing these types of pants. I don't think I'm gonna be using jeans. Because if the summer is this hot and I'm gonna keep moving to countries where it's hot, as hot or hotter, I don't think I'm gonna need jeans. I'm not gonna fall on the wheel. So I don't really need the abrasion resistance. But let's find some fabric here. Got green pants, maybe some brown ones? One last shower, or rather, my first bath in this place. I'm in Jules' bath because the other one's kind of bad. She let me use this one. I'm gonna use my bath bomb from Lush. I've really been looking forward to this. Let's see. Oh wow, that is crazy. Yeah, this is gonna be good, guys. I can tell. Oh wow, it's like fizzing and turning around and stuff. That's crazy. Wow. This is gonna be nice. A little cleaning ritual before I leave. I got to say goodbye to a few people. I said goodbye to Amelia, and I'm gonna go smoke with Jake and say goodbye to him. Me and Jess's neighbor. And of course Joel, I'm gonna say goodbye to her. Daniel as well, who lives next to Jake. Gonna say goodbye to him. Ignacio is here as well. I can say goodbye to him. I'm not sure if there's anyone else here, but it's not my last time here. As I told the others, I'm gonna come back. No worries. It's still going. What does it look like by now? Oh, wow. Well, I guess I'm just gonna jump in here. Oh, wow. This is nice and hot. Whew. 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 What? I've not been in a bath for I don't know, half my lifespan. Whoa. I'm gonna fill some more water in here, guys. See you. Just look at the color of this stuff, guys. What? This is really nice. I haven't soaked in ages. Highly recommended, guys. Highly. Whoa. The paint is cool, but it's not good now. Wow. Jonas and you going to take the Christian state. Christian state when you posted on hans Instagram. Og nu gælder det bare en e-mails. Ej, hvor fedt, mand. Sådan, mand. Ej, hvor nice. Så vi let's go.
What have we done now?
Og lige nu er vi på sommerferie, så vi har ikke nogen sessions tilgængelige i vores klinik, fordi vi er på sommerferie, så lige nu er jeg sådan, okay, kan du tage noget? Så
det hele skal til at gå i gang nu.
Det skal jeg lige nu.
Det er sjovt.
Det er så crazy.
Ej, hvor er det fedt.
Og min veninde. Ej, thank you.
Nice.
Weeding away, and I'm like, what are you doing? Everybody else has gone to a festival.
And you're sitting here just enjoying yourself.
And you're just sitting here, weeding the fireplace. And I was having such a nice time, but then also I felt a bit silly that I wasn't.
Yeah.
So I went through all these messy spectrums of...
Yeah, I know exactly what...
I hung out with Jake for a bit. I got everything packed on now. Just need this towel. And yeah, I'm basically ready right when I wake up. Oh, not these pants. I can't have these tearing no more. Ah, that sounded terrible. I don't know what tore. Well, anyway, this is what I got packed. A 20 liter, a 30 liter, and this I'm borrowing from I don't know, 67 liter or so. And then this one on my stomach. I can't bring this one. These are just broken e-bike batteries. Well, a cell, or maybe a couple of cells have failed. But next time I come by here, I'm gonna come by in about a month when Jewel is ready making my second pair of like personalized commissioned harem pants. I'm gonna come pick them up and then I can fix them at Tügeltüten. I'm just gonna bring all my tools, every single thing I got in here. I got all the empty bottles lined up so I can hand those in when I wake up. And then just put this on and get out of here. I'm leaving it in a good condition. Just a few things I need to clean up. And then it's on to the next leg of the journey. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. I made some homemade chicken schnitzel. The one I made, I breaded myself with panko for sushi. I'm just eating them now. I got the munchies. I'm just getting, advice about girl advice or what do you call it? Yeah, advice about girls from Stony. I'm like, Stony, what do I do? And he's like, it's over, bro. Forget about it.